Hi, welcome back. Ria here. So I am back with a new topic, and today's topic is how an ideal teacher or a tutor should be. So let's discuss some of the points how a teacher should be. So being a teacher, a coach or a tutor is a very big thing of responsibility. If you are a tutor, a coach, you should be very much responsible because you're going to create the future of nation. You are going to create a future which is going to help for the growth of the society. So you have to think before doing each and everything. Before teaching, you have to be always be prepared. You have to be a good researcher. So it's important for a teacher to be a knowledgeable person. You should have a deep knowledge of the particular topic you're teaching. So being a teacher is not an easy job, so you have to be very responsible. Being a tutor trainer, being a teacher trainer, a coach trainer, I have decided about the 7 different tips which are important and which you should keep in mind when you are a teacher. Okay? So every teacher should have some mission. So if you are teaching without mission, so you should have a mission like I want to teach these kids, I want to teach the students so they can grow and become future of the nation, so they can help in growth of the nation. So you should have mission, and that mission should not only be responsible for yourself or for the benefit of yourself, it should be beneficial for the benefits of the society. So every teacher should teach with a mission. Every teacher or a coach should have a mission of transformation of their students, of transformation for whom they are teaching. There should be a change, there should be a transformation. So teachers should have a mission to make the changes, make the transformation in the students. Now the next thing is they should have the aim to grow and prosper others. Now if a teacher is there and she's teaching in a school, a college or any course, online, offline, anything, she should have the aim to grow others and prosper others. If you do something just the sake of money, you'll never prosper, you will never grow. If you want to grow yourself, you should think about growing others. So you have to think about there are many thoughts which say if you help others to grow, it will ultimately grow you. But if you think that by just doing a task just for the sake of money you will grow, no. For meantime you'll have the money, but after some time there will be no value. So if you want to grow and prosper, whatever you're doing, whatever you're having mission, that should have a proper meaning, that should have some aim. So whatever you're teaching, for whom you are teaching, you should have some aim that this kids should learn till 10th and then go to a good college. They should be a good doctor, so they can help in a medical situations and help our country. They can help in the research. You want to teach the kids who can grow and become pilots, who can grow and become freedom fighters. So you have to keep aim and grow others as well as grow yourself. So this is the second point. Now let's see the third tip. You should have proper knowledge. If you are teaching someone, see, there are different teachers for every different topic. So you can't have complete knowledge at a time. So knowledge is kind of a sea, a big sea, and if you just take a pin and just put that pin into the sea and take it out, whatever water comes with that pinpoint is the knowledge you're having. So don't think that you are having each and every knowledge, but whatever knowledge you have, that should be proper. Everyone can't have each and every knowledge of each and every field. So you should understand, being a teacher, a tutor or a coach, you should know that you should be specific to certain topic and you should know the topic in depth. So knowing everything is not important, but knowing whatever you know should be perfectly known by you. So this is what a teacher should have. Now the next point is teacher is a backbone of society. Now even if you are teaching kids, you are teaching adults, you are teaching astrology, you are teaching some other science, or you're teaching some research work, robotics, or IT, computer, anything you're teaching, you are going to help society in some and other way. If you teach these kids for their growth, by some way, by their mission, their growth, they are going to help grow the future of the nation. They are going to be a backbone of the society. So if the backbone is not straight and very strong, the society will not work properly. So if you do not teach the kids in a proper way, they will not grow their future in proper way, which will be not good for the society. So whatever you teach should be very straightforward, should be simple in understanding, and you should have a proper perfect knowledge of a particular subject. So for that, teachers are called as backbone of the society. Now teacher is also future of nation. So the point which I explained, from that only we understand, if we create the kids of today, and in future they are going to create the nation, they are going to help nation for the growth and development. So indirectly, teachers are someone who are teaching the kids, who are going to create the future of the nation and who are going to help in the development of the society. Now the next point is, teachers are noble. They are called as, it is called as noble profession. Teaching is a noble profession who has the attitude towards being fair. So the next point is, teachers should be always fair. They should be they should have attitude, whatever is fair, teachers should go with that. Teacher should not accept anything unfair. Like if some students are very favorite to teacher and teacher is being good to them and not being bad to the kids who are not very intelligent, this is unfair. So if you want to be really a good teacher, you have to be fair. Fairness means what? Who are not doing properly. Equality is giving equal knowledge, but fairness is different. So understand the difference between the equality and fairness. If you have 3 kids, giving equal amount of money as a pocket money is a equality. But when it comes to students, you have to be fair, not equal. So if you are teaching 3 different kids in class, one is poor in studies, one is excellent, and one is medium. So you have to be fair. Means what? You have to bring all the 3 to same level. So for that, you have to be fair, and you should have a very great attitude towards being fair, not being equal. So understand it, being a teacher. Then next is, you should be honest and hardworking. So every day whenever you get up, the first thing it should come in your mind is, you should feel about yourself, yes, I am an honest teacher, I am an honest person who is helping students, who is helping the nation towards the growth and development. You should not feel yourself to be someone who is cheating the society, who is cheating the future of our nation. So you should be honest as well as hardworking. Now a teacher should be a philosopher, a friend, and a guide. So you should wear different hats at different times. So if you're a coach, sometimes you have to be a friend, sometimes you have to be a philosopher. You should use some different sayings or philosophy. So indirectly you are helping kids to understand the main point using a philosophy. Or you should be a guide wherever needed. So you should be having all these hats. You should be teacher by profession itself, but along with teacher you should be a friend, a philosopher, as well as a guide. Now the last important thing is you should be helping the kids or the students or anyone who are teaching, whom you are teaching, to reach their goals. For example, if I am a business coach, if I am helping people to grow their business online, if I am helping anyone to start their business, like online teaching business, and growing it, so my goal will be, I should start from the beginning. I should teach them like how online teaching is, from what it is and how it is until the implementation. So this transformation is my responsibility to bring in them. So you should help, being a teacher, being a tutor, being a knowledge giver, you should help them to grow and reach their goals. So your goal should be ultimately their goal. So it's important that you should align your goal with your students' goal. So it will help them grow as well as you grow, and this will ultimately grow the society and help to develop our nation. So teachers play very much important and a big role in the society as well as country development. So being a teacher, you should have a mission you should be very responsible. So these were all the important points which I covered, how a teacher should be, how you should be for helping the country to grow and the students to grow for future of the nation. So this was all about today's video, and I hope you like my video. I hope you get value from my video, and if you get value from my video and if you think that my thoughts are relevant with you, you can join my VIP Facebook group. Thank you so much.